Hurricanes are among the most powerful and destructive natural disasters on Earth. They are large, swirling storms that form over warm ocean waters. When hurricanes strike, they can cause significant damage through high winds, heavy rain, and storm surges. The intensity of hurricanes is measured using the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. This scale categorizes hurricanes from 1 to 5 based on their sustained wind speeds. Category 1 hurricanes have winds of 74 to 95 miles per hour, while Category 5 hurricanes have winds exceeding 157 miles per hour. Coastal areas are particularly vulnerable due to their proximity to the ocean. Early preparation can save lives and reduce property damage. In this guide, we'll explore how hurricanes form, their impacts, and how to stay safe before, during, and after a hurricane. Hurricanes form over warm ocean waters near the equator. They start as tropical depressions, which are low-pressure systems with organized thunderstorms. When the ocean water temperature is at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides the energy needed for the storm to strengthen. As the warm, moist air rises, it creates a center of low pressure, drawing in more air and causing the storm to grow. There are three main stages in the development of a hurricane: tropical depression, tropical storm, and hurricane. If the wind speeds reach 74 miles per hour or more, it is classified as a hurricane. Meteorologists use advanced technology to monitor and track hurricanes, providing early warnings to those in their path. This information is crucial for timely evacuation and preparation. Coastal areas are highly susceptible to hurricane damage due to their location. When a hurricane makes landfall, it brings a combination of high winds, heavy rain, and storm surges. Storm surges are the most deadly aspect of hurricanes. They occur when strong winds push seawater onto the shore, causing severe flooding. Flooding from storm surges can submerge entire communities, washing away homes and infrastructure. The high winds can tear off roofs, uproot trees, and knock down power lines. Additionally, hurricanes can spawn tornadoes, which cause further destruction over smaller areas. Building codes and infrastructure improvements can reduce the impact of hurricanes. Awareness and preparedness are key to minimizing the damage caused by hurricanes. Section 4. Preparation before a hurricane. Preparation before a hurricane is critical to ensure safety and minimize damage. The first step is to stay informed. Monitor weather updates and heed warnings from authorities. Create an emergency plan that includes evacuation routes and a communication strategy for your family. Stock up on essential supplies such as water, non-perishable food, medications, and batteries. Secure your home by boarding up windows and bringing in outdoor furniture. If evacuation orders are issued, leave immediately. Ensure your pets are also included in your evacuation plans. Stay informed, stay prepared, and stay safe. Section 5. Actions during a hurricane. During a hurricane, it is crucial to stay indoors and away from windows. Find a small interior room on the lowest level of your home for shelter. If flooding occurs, move to higher ground. Avoid using electrical appliances, as power surges can cause fires. Listen to weather updates and follow instructions from local authorities. Keep your emergency supplies within reach. Do not venture outside until authorities declare it safe to do so, even if the storm appears to have passed. Your safety is the top priority during a hurricane. Section 6. Recovery and hope after a hurricane. After a hurricane, recovery efforts begin. It is essential to wait for authorities to declare your area safe before returning home. Once it is safe, assess the damage to your property. Take photos for insurance purposes and document any losses. Be cautious of hazards such as downed power lines and unstable structures. Clean up safely, wearing protective clothing and being mindful of debris. Use proper equipment to remove water and dry out your home. Seek assistance from local authorities and relief organizations if needed. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for great tips. With the right preparation and community support, we can rebuild stronger and more resilient than before.